Do you want to create stunning pouch mockup in minutes using Photoshop? Let's get started. Think of a packaging design mockup. The first thing you would need is the pouch base, and just open up the freebie. I have just write the prompt there. I would get that mockup in just seconds. After opening up that mockup in the Photoshop, we just created a new layer. Take a rectangular tool and make a rectangle, and while making the rectangle, be precise like that. Now we have to adjust the edges. For the adjustment, before transform or anything, we would make sure our rectangle to convert into smart object. That's the most important part. The distort, Control T, and after that we can get the distort. After getting distort, make the selection. Here we are making the selection of the pouch. That is obvious. We have to adjust our smart object as per our pouch selection. Now just open up the smart object and just place your artwork in that smart object. We have placed here. Press Ctrl S and we are good to go. We have some little adjustments here. Just wrap it out, and after that, if you want, as we can look at some points, the highlights and shadows are not so clear, so we'll just copy the pouch from the bottom layer and just place it at the most top of the layer panel, and just convert it into multiply. And now if you want to change the color, for the color we just copy the pouch. After that we would place a solid color layer in between the pouch and the background color, background layer, and use the blend if tools to adjust the shadow or background layer. And that is our final results. You can just look at that. Thank you so much for your watching.